how to see mature content on Instagram. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Now, from your home page, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile page, again navigate to the top right corner and tap on three-line icon. Now, under settings and activity page, scroll down a bit, and under what you see there is an option as suggested content. So tap on suggested content. Here under content preferences, there is an option as sensitive content. Tap on that. Now from this page, you get to control your sensitive content control. If you have selected yes, then you might see less sensitive content. Now to view the mature content, tap on standard. There you get an pop-up box with some information that says you might see some content about topics some people don't want to see, such as sexually suggested content or some violence. That is basically the mature content. So tap on confirm. And with that, you have allowed the mature content on your Instagram account. So that's how you can view mature content on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.